right, guys, we're going to start doing a digital writer's notebook, which means we're going to be using Google Slides to do a lot of our writing. Um, for now, I'm going to be tasking you with different writing prompts and brainstorming opportunities to kind of hone back into writing about ourselves and our world, because in a time where we don't have many answers, it's important that we take the time to reflect on what we do know, and what we know best is ourselves and the things and the people around us that make us feel whole. So on your Google slide, you are going to see it's going to be set up right just like this. You have the ability to change things. I want you to decorate this slide so it represents you and your identity. I know who you are as people and the goodness in your hearts, but this is a great place to share some of your interests and the things that you love. Add some pictures, put in your name, which is going to entail you putting in a text box. And that looks like this. So you click on text box, you draw that across, and you can pick whatever fancy font or style you want for your writer's notebook. You're also going to be working today on this heart map. A heart map is a place where we generate ideas and things that are most important to us. So for each one of these, you're going to put a little text box. Feel free to let it go outside of the heart, because we are full people with full lives, and you can change the font to make it smaller so that your words fit in there and give yourself some bullets. So for me, one of my hobbies is reading, writing, playing with my dog. Oh, eating, that's a big one. You're going to go through each of these things and you are going to generate at least, 7 ideas for each one of things that you can write about. That's all I want you to do for Monday, is just take these 2 slides and get through those.